Right, second day. Just cycling through, or down an island called Dondet. The village is pretty much all at the top, and this path goes all the way to the bottom, and then there's some waterfalls which I can look at. And this is the place with all the dolphins. I explained the story of Damien though, the guy I met yesterday at the border. He got declined entry, and he presumed it was because of his ethnicity, but there is a potential that his visa that he purchased in Paxi before the border is just a fly-in to Cambodia visa, if that kind of thing exists. He's basically got to figure that one out. Got a new bike. This is my wheels now. Woo. Check him out. Woo! I reckon that would drag you under. Look at that landscape. What? What? This is crazy. Look at that water. Mate, that waterfall is so cool. It's like the pure amount of water that's going through that. That is intense. Right, I think there's a beach further down here. Try and find that. Oh, and there's just more and more. Gee. It's like the whole of this area just drops. Can't zoom in the front camera, can I? But look, wait. All the way over there. Like, this whole land just drops down a level. Uh-huh. What is this landscape? It's just back-to-back rivers all the way through this. I'll show you where I am on the map. But this place is called 4,000 Islands because of this reason, having all of these waterways through this broken up land. This is the top end of the Mekong Delta, which runs all the way through and down across Vietnam and then into the sea. And I saw the Mekong Delta closer to the sea, much wider, like big barges going up and down. Here it's much more turbulent. It's crazy. It's actually got a beach. An island with a beach. Oh, look at this little path. Look! An actual beach. Yeah. Woo! Look at that water! Jeez! This could be tough. Oh, I'm joking, I'm just on the track. Anyway, this is the next waterfall down here. I'm now on the far east side of the island. Here. They're everywhere. So many waterfalls. What do you think? Do you think like a shift in tectonic plates and then all the water drops off, or like localized something? I have no idea. But literally, oh my god, look at this beetle. It's so pretty. Woo! Oh wow. It looks like something ruined, but I guess it's sort of the fishing for the locals. There seems to be like two structures like that. So maybe they like fish in the middle and it channels the fish. Look at the baby goats! Oh! I thought they were baby goats. These are baby goats! Oh my god! Ah, it's so cute! Pretty warm. It's 12:25, 32.4 degrees. I don't know what that flashing is. You can see the pressure's going up loads. Oh, it's a full moon today as well. Do I try it? All of the floorboards are moving. Ooh. Jungle, jungle, jungle. Oh, all of the jungle. Yeah, that doesn't look stable, man. Getting across it. Made it. Another one. Now right on the southern tip. There. Wow. Found some stairs. So they built a railway from the south all the way up the island to here to bypass all of the waterfalls. So they steamed up here, shipped the boats on the train with the cargo, and refloated them and up the Mekong. That is crazy. I'm now just going to relax. Quite sweaty and it's quite hot. This cloud looks exactly like a scorpion. It's got its head, two pincers, and a tail. It's 4 o'clock. It's nice.